Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Learning the English Language with me Vinod. Today I'm going to give you a deeper insight into IELTS writing, especially task 2. When it comes to essay writing, many students do not know how to handle it. When it comes to introduction and conclusion, people must be very careful. Why do I say this? Because it causes a huge damage in terms of your score even if you make a minute mistake. Therefore, when you write your introduction, make sure that you use simple English yet professional English. To give you a blunt statement, don't try your fancy vocabulary skills in the introduction. Try to complete the introduction in 3 to 4 sentences, maximum within 5 sentences. Also, try to use a couple of connectors, namely, however, or moreover, or therefore, or in fact, or though. That's about it for introduction. When it comes to conclusion, try to conclude on a neutral term if it is an opinionated essay. When I say neutral term, don't support your statement or go against your statement. Talk about the good and the bad on even terms so that it gives an appealing conclusion on a neutral basis. In order for the conclusion to be effective, make sure that the body paragraphs, namely body 1 and body 2, to be on a consistent basis. In the body 1, talk only about the positives with an example, and in the body 2, talk only about the negatives with an example. When it comes to body 1, give at least 3 reasons with one example. Each reason should comprise of at least 3 to 4 sentences, and it is the same for example as well. So roughly it will be 12 to 15 sentences. Same goes for body 2 as well when you are speaking about the negative. I hope this deeper insight helps all of you to write your essay in a perfect manner. Until then, this is Vinod signing off. Have a great day. Bye.